Okay, then let's create today's video. So this is the task for today's video. For this particular task, I preferred part design workbench. But first, I create the fundamental sketch. So this is the bottom sketch. This is a 3D view of this main drawing. But I found this is the entire main sketch. So let's create this drawing first. So what is the dimension? 83, 27, 17.55. Okay. So create a sketch XY plane. First, I create a random drawing, then I give the constraint and dimension. Okay, 27, 17.55, 4, 140, and this is the 83. Okay. Let's check again. And radius 8 and 7.5. Okay, fine. Pull it. 8, 7.5, 7.5, 8. I think all dimensions are given. Okay, select entire the sketch, offset, and offset thickness is 0.5. Okay, so 0.5. Let's check again. 0.5. Okay, fine. So I have to remove this one. I have to delete this bottom sketch. Okay, select top sketch. Okay, Control C. Fine. Create a sketch, same plane. Control V. Okay, here I draw the reference line. I have to lock it, and dimension is of course 83. Okay, I have to lock this because I have to give the another dimension here. So 13.175 and 10. It's 0.5 correct. 0.5 correct. 10. 13.75. Okay. Okay, so sketch is complete and close the sketch. So basically I have two sketch. This one parent one and this second one. So select this parent one and I have to extrude 25. I mean pad symmetric 25. Okay, so here its first thing is complete. This is a sketch here. Now let's select this face sketch, convert entity, and here rectangle. What is the dimension? Is it 21.25? So 21.25. Okay, close, pad 25. Okay, fine. So here this thing is completed. And what is the fillet value? 6.25. 6.25. Select. Okay. Okay. Select this face, sketch, circle, diameter is 5, distance from here it's 5.25. Select this circle, select this one, constraint, equal, pocket. Okay, so here finish this main part. Now create the remaining one. Select this sketch, create a sketch from XY plane. Okay, and close one. There is something wrong here. Select this one, sketch. I can't see. Okay, no matter. Select a slot. Wait a second. I found here point. Let's check the distance. It's of course 10. Fine. Select the slot. .75. Dimension. Dimension would be 13.75. 13.75. Okay. Close one. Select this. Pocket. Okay. So here is remove the main part. Now select this XY plane. Create a datum. Second reference would be this vertex. Oops. XY plane create a datum. Second reference would be this vertex. Okay. Hide the datum. Select the datum and create a sketch. Convert entity. Six. Convert entity. Convert entity. Hide this line. Trim. Okay, so here the sketch is ready. Fine. Select the sketch. Okay, before going to select the sketch, I would to prefer join this curve. This curve, I mean. For that, I go to the curve workbench, select this sketch and join curve. Okay, so here the join curve is. Back to part design, select this sketch, additive pipe, add edge and select the sketch. Okay, and make dependent. Hide this curve. Okay, now come to here, select the sketch, convert entity, this point and this point. Okay, line, line, circle, trim it, close, revolve, 90 only. Okay. Let's revolve here. Select this one, sketch, convert entity, this point, this point. Select the circle, trim it, close, revolve tool, and 90. Okay. So what's remaining? 1.25 radius. Okay. So select the fillet. Radius would be 125. Select this. Continue cycle. Oops. By mistakenly selected by face. Remove it and select gauge. This one. This one. I need to be more careful to select an edge only. So here we go. My entire drawing is completed, and I prefer to give some color, appearance, custom, diffuse, something like that. Okay. Mm, select this, custom. Okay. So basically, I have finished my drawing. You can check the drawing. Entire body is ready. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.